Hello, everyone. Here we are back flying over St. Simon's Sound between St. Simon's Island and Jekyll Island. We're here to take another look at the Golden Ray, the capsized car carrying carrier that capsized back in September 2019. Last summer, we took a look and saw everything getting ready to start the cutting operations that happened a few months later. And now we're going to be seeing what's left of the Golden Ray. They were going to cut it into 7 sections and take the sections away. And there's 3 sections left and 2 cuts left. And actually the last cut just finished, but was not finished at the time of this filming. So 1 cut left to go. So of course you can see this giant lifting crane that wasn't here last time, and a lot of support equipment and a lot of pollution control equipment. And we're going to go around this whole structure. We're not going to go over it for obvious reasons. They were actually cutting on the day that this was shot, but not at the moment this was shot. You can see the chains in place. The ones that are hooked up to the crane are the cut that's happening. And then right down there, the final cut, you can see the chains hanging down. And from what I understand, these are just big, thick chains used for cutting through the ship, just brute force. Now we'll get in a little closer to this side section and take a look at a cross section of the ship and the contents that are still inside. And as I mentioned in that last video, this car carrier was about 40,000 tons displacement, so pretty good size, but nowhere near as big as those giant container ships you see around. You can see how the barges for this big crane have these anchor points on each corner, holding it all in place. Here's a pretty good view of the active chain that was cutting that day. About halfway through at the time. And we found some more dolphins milling around nearby. And I hope everyone enjoyed this last look at what's left of the Golden Ray and all the exotic cranes that they have in place for this cutting and lifting operation. If you haven't seen the video from last summer, it's worth watching, where you can see everything in place getting ready. This will be at the link at the end of the video. And thanks for watching, everybody.